it is currently 5:05 in the afternoon and I am going on a trip tomorrow morning to Las Vegas, which is very exciting. This is the first time I've ever been to Vegas, so it should be really fun. I'm going with a group of friends. Our flight is tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. So we gotta get there pretty early. We're only going to be staying there for 3 days, so it's not gonna be a long trip. I have a feeling though, because I've been looking at the weather, it's going to be pretty hot out there. Like, based off of the app, it's saying that it's going to be Las Vegas, so it's going to be up to 100 degrees Sunday, Monday, and then on Tuesday, yeah, about 100 degrees. So it's going to be very, very, very hot out there. I'm going to be packing light clothes because ain't no way someone's gonna put layers on like that. That's ridiculous. So anyways, let me just stop chatting around and let me show you guys what I'm packing for my Las Vegas trip. So this is the bag that I'm bringing on my trip. Not very big, so let's see if I can fit 3 days worth of clothes into this bag. So these are all the clothes I pulled out of my closet that I'm thinking about bringing on this trip. It kind of looks like a lot. I don't know, there's no way I can bring all of these clothes for like 3 days. Of course, I gotta pack my undies. Now let me try to fit all of this into this little itty bitty bag. Packing my bathing suit and these cycling shorts. Gotta be sure to water my plants before I leave. This is all of the makeup I'm going to be packing. I still have my toiletries I need to put in there. I gotta pack my camera equipment, which I think will go inside my purse. I tried to fit as much as I could, but as you can clearly see, there's only but so much I can pack. Where you at, girl? Say what's up. Hey girl, where we at? Period. Like that. This is us. Okay, view.
Cinquantième étage. Yes.
Closet. It's a closet.
I know it.
Okay.
No.
This is a bathroom. It's a nice looking bathroom. I feel like I'm in the Lion King. Anisha.
Okay.
Yes.
There we go. There's still some breast milk there too. Good nutrients.
Yes. Okay. Period. Let them know who it is. Okay, no. You ready to show them what you made of? Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Oh yeah, the little sister with the crazy one. There we go. Yes. I'm not being with Dorcas person. You making it work though. Close. Okay. Las Vegas sign. Let's hope that we don't get hit by a car. That's the ride at the end.
Yeah.
That's insane. That's a whole nother level. Like you think like the one in Six Flags or something.
Oh no,
This is a whole nother level.
time.
Wow.
Boom, boom, boom.
All suited up. About to go zip lining. See y'all at the